こんにちは、皆さん、お元気ですか? We are going to learn some very, very basic grammar. The first word is Nihongo. This is very easy, right? Nihon, this is Japan. Nihon. Nihon. Maybe you can recognize this kanji. And go, Nihongo. This go, the left part, it is called gomben. Gomben. And also we can pronounce this only the left part, iimasu, to tell, to tell. So this go means something related with the words, something related with to speaking, for speaking and to telling, like that. And this kanji, you know, this is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go. 5. So we pronounce this is go, Nihongo. This is the language, Japanese. So the country's name and go is the language, Nihongo, Japanese language. But when we, for example, here, can you read this katakana? Norwegian, Sweden. This jin, it means the person. So Norwegian is the person, Norwegian. Swedenjin, person, Swedish. But if we say Norway go, this gonna be the language, Norwegian language. Sweden go, that will be Swedish language. Then Deutsch, Germany. Deutsch, Germany. Deutschjin, German person, German people. Deutschgo, German language. Italiajin, the person from Italy. Italiago, Italian as a language. Italian. Fransgo, French language. Fransjin, French people. Spainjin, Spanish people. Spaingo, Spanish language. Chugoku, Chugokugo, Chinese language. Chugokujin, Chinese people. And for example, Russiajin, Russian people. Russiago, Russiajin. Then, you know, this is America. Americajin, American, people from America, from the United States. And this is Igiris, people from England, English people. But when we want to say English language, we don't say Americago, nor Igirisgo. But because this is a very, very exceptional word, we say eigo. Eigo. And this eigo has kanji like this. Eigo. This is English language. So this is very exceptional because for person, Americajin or Igirisjin, but for the language, we say eigo. Please remember this, eigo. Then now this is the new particle. You already know wa. Even if we write ha, this means A equal B, A wa B des. But no, this is like apostrophe S or of. For example, Mrs. Jones' book. So, Jones-san no hon. Like that. Do you remember? Hon. This kanji is very easy one. So, it's better that you recognize it. It's like the 3 and 1 line. When we say our country's name, Japan, we say Nihon, Nihon, the second kanji, the same as this one. But this hon is book. For example, Susan's book. Susan's book. That will be Susan no hon. Susan no hon. So, and jisho, do you remember this one? Jisho is dictionary. Jisho is dictionary. For example, I want to say David's dictionary. それはダビッドさんの辞書。ダビッドさんの辞書。And do you remember? A は B です。This is A equal B. This is we already studied. And to form the question, A は B ですか? And これは何ですか? What's this? What's this? 何 Do you remember? This kanji, you can pronounce 何 or 何. これは何ですか? What's this? What's this? And now the new one. これは何の本ですか? これは何の本ですか? You know, 本 this is book. 何 is the same like this. What? 何の本? It means what kind of book? Or 本 this is book. Book of what? It's very rare. What book? これは何の本ですか? For example, if I ask you, これは本です。これは何の本ですか? これは何の本ですか? I can say, これは日本語の本です。これは日本語の本です。This is a Japanese book. これは日本語の本です。And also I can say like this. 何語? 何語? This means which language? 何語? 何語? So I can say これは何の本ですか? Or これは何語の本ですか? It's the same. 何の本ですか? It is what book? So you can say, it's a novel. So これは小説の本です。Or like that. But if I say 何語? This is for the language. But now you can use just as the same. 何語? This is the which language. Then, for example, you see? これはドイツ語の本です。Right? Because this is Deutsch Jugend. これはドイツ語の本です。Right? This is German book. You see? Grammaire du français. これはフランス語の本です。これはフランス語の本です。これは何ですか? これは何ですか? You see? Like this. So, これは日本語の漫画です。これは日本語の漫画です。Then, これは何ですか? おお、これは何ですか? これは Look. これはフランス語のコミックです。これはフランス語のコミックです。 is written in French. これはフランス語のコミックです。これは私の友達のコミックです。This is my friend's comic. Then, I make you a question. You see? This is Robert de Poche-Plus. これは英語の辞書ですか？これは英語の辞書ですか？ Did you understand? これは英語 English 英語の辞書ですか？ Is this English dictionary? Then I say, いいえ、これは英語の辞書ではありません。これは英語の辞書ではありません。これはフランス語の辞書です。これはフランス語の辞書です。This is not an English dictionary. This is a French dictionary. これは何ですか？これは何ですか？これは日本語の雑誌です。これは日本語の雑誌です。Do you remember? 雑誌 is a magazine. これは日本語の雑誌です。And this is a recipe books. So I can say これはレシピの雑誌です。お、日本語のレシピの雑誌です。OK? これは何ですか？これは何ですか？これは日本語の DVD です。これは日本語の DVD です。DVD is DVD でファウで、これは日本語の DVD です。これはジブリの DVD です。かぐや姫です。これは日本語の本ですか？これは日本語の本ですか？これは日本語の本ですか？いいえ、これは日本語の本ではありません。これはスペイン語の本です。これはスペイン語の本です。Did you understand? So I make you 5 questions and I would like you to answer them. And if you can, please write them down so you can practice. I think much better. Then when I say something, for example like this, これは、I told you これはフランス語の本ですか？ Then I would like you to answer yes or no. So いいえ。Then I want you to make the negative sentence. いいえ、これはフランス語の本ではありません。or これはフランス語の本ではありません。Then again, これはスペイン語の本です。I know this is too many phrases and we usually don't speak like that, but this is an exercise. So I think it's better to write as much as you can. The first, 1番目。これは何の本ですか？これは何の本ですか？ It's quite easy, right? これは何の本ですか？ 2番目、the second one。これはスペイン語の本ですか？これはスペイン語の本ですか？これはスペイン語の本ですか？ Okay? 3番目 the third。 これは日本語の絵本ですか？ Do you remember what is 絵本? You know, 本 is a book. 絵本、絵 means the picture. So 絵本, this is the picture book for children. So this is 絵本, right? This is 絵本。これは日本語の絵本ですか？ You see what language? This is from Eric Cowell, Mr. Seahorse. これは日本語の絵本ですか？ Quite easy. これは日本語の絵本ですか？ The fourth, 4番目。これは何語の本ですか？これは何語の本ですか？ Do you know who he is? Dan Ariely. The honest truth about dishonesty. Very good book. Very good book. これは何語の本ですか？これは何語の本ですか？ The last one. 一番最後。5番目。You see? これはフランス語の辞書ですか？これはフランス語の辞書ですか？ I think they were all quite easy. Could you answer them all? So we are going to finish here. If you like this video, please give me a like. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please write them down in commentary. I'd appreciate it. That makes me very, very happy. Thank you very much. どうもありがとうございました。ではまた見てください。ぜひチャンネル登録といいねボタンとコメントもお願いします。じゃあね。バイバイ。